Ever wonder if your current screen recording and video editing software is truly serving you to its full potential? You might be surprised to learn about the robust capabilities of a software called Wondershare DemoCreator. Wondershare DemoCreator is a titan in the realm of screen recording and video editing. It's designed to help you create high-quality videos with ease and efficiency. But what makes it so special? Let's delve into its standout features. Firstly, Wondershare DemoCreator offers powerful screen recording capabilities. Whether you're recording a software tutorial, a gameplay video, or an online meeting, this tool has got you covered. With it, you can capture your entire screen, a specific window, or a selected area, offering you a level of flexibility that's hard to find elsewhere. Furthermore, its video editing tools are nothing short of impressive. You can cut, split, and merge clips, add text and annotations, incorporate transitions and animations, and much more. It's a comprehensive suite of tools that empowers you to tell your story your way without any technical barriers. But the power of Wondershare DemoCreator doesn't stop at screen recording and video editing. This software also offers a host of additional features that elevate it above the competition. For instance, it provides a picture-in-picture mode, allowing you to add a personal touch to your videos by including a video of yourself alongside your screen recording. Another unique feature of Wondershare DemoCreator is its array of annotation tools. These tools enable you to highlight important information, guide your viewers' attention, or simply add a bit of fun and personality to your videos. And let's not forget about its audio editing capabilities. With Wondershare DemoCreator, you can easily edit your audio tracks, add voiceovers, and incorporate background music, all within the same software. This saves you the time and hassle of having to use separate programs for audio editing. Now, it's all well and good to have a wide range of features, but what truly sets Wondershare DemoCreator apart is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those who are new to video editing. This means you can focus on creating your content rather than wrestling with complicated software. In summary, Wondershare DemoCreator is a comprehensive screen recording and video editing software that offers a wide range of powerful features. From its robust recording capabilities to its advanced editing tools, from its unique picture-in-picture mode to its user-friendly interface, this software has everything you need to create high-quality videos with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, Wondershare DemoCreator is designed to help you bring your vision to life.